Good. 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 Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. White man. But, YouTube.
Bro, it's a nice Jeep, bro.
Thank you, bro. What, you gonna shoot me, dude?
No.
Thank you. But, YouTube, man, welcome back. Welcome back to another video of the 6'4". That boy looks so good. Hey, that's better quality right there. And it got a good wash too. Sheesh. They got in here today. Super tight. Hit it. Do it again, dude. Race car, dude. Pat. Hey, you really know how to pat though. I remember from the first vlog, that little pat. But today, YouTube, Caleb, do you want to tell them what we'll possibly be doing today?
No, we're taking the fucking bumper.
Oh, we're about to disassemble the front bumper. Damn, we about to see what, I don't know. This thing should be clean besides a little bit of the salt from this year. Other than that, this is the first time. Let's see. I want to see what type of exhaust work done to this. We got to see. Shit. Look at that fucker. Look at that fucker. Oh, rust already. Fuck. Look at this. A camped V6. Damn, man. Half forged carbon, half white. Huh? And it's a 2014, I think.
Yeah, I already heard.
But he upgraded it to look like.
The iBox springs are here.
What does that mean, buddy?
Fancy aftermarket springs.
For real?
That's probably why I sit lower.
Ooh.
I got lower.
We learn more about this car each and every day. We already have lowering springs. Makes sense in how it sits. What about up here? Because up here is a little issues. I'll be feeling rubbing. Or is it just these tires big as What do you have to say, doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor.
They don't look good. You should cut these off.
No.
Leave those. In this? Yeah, get rid of that.
That's probably why this bitch so quiet. Look at this. It's bent.
A little dent back there.
The fuck is that from?
So you can get to this bolt here.
Oh.
Probably comes like that. I don't know.
So this is a big ass
This is the muffler.
muffler? Oh yeah, this gotta go.
Yeah, because you already got the rears deleted.
Oh yeah, this gotta go. This gotta go. They gotta re-weld this. This kinda looks.
No, it just looks really rusty.
Wait, that looks. This kinda gotta go now. Just cause I know this is why it's so quiet now.
Yeah.
This gotta go. I didn't know this. Yeah, it's about to sound like the 5.7, but the 6.4 version. For our SRT to have open diff steel.
I bet this motor. I don't know how.
That motor probably.
Maybe this
right.
will switch. Maybe this switches something in there with the gearing.
Yeah. You think I should pour the fuse and see?
No, you might break something.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for being responsible. Cause knowing you,
got warranty though.
But knowing you would have went crazy.
This is definitely open.
Open this. Yes, sir. and we bringing y'all Auxito LED lights. Man, shout out, thank you to my first sponsor, our first actual sponsor. I appreciate y'all giving me the opportunity to work with y'all. And we about to do an upgrade on here, on these lights. So, shout out again to Auxito LED lights, man. They come with a pair of gloves. That's gonna come in clutch. We got something on them already. Some instructions for them 2 lights. Sheesh. Yeah. Gotta put some light bulbs in here. Get these light bulbs out of here. Hold on 1 second. Pop it all up. Get these light bulbs out of here. The LED light bulbs.
Oh, buddy.
What this is lights. These are for the SRT Jeep. Exactly. I guess. No, Jeep lights. Exactly. And to access to put all these on, gotta take this whole front bumper off. My boy. Take this whole. Fuck, dude. Dude.
What?
Nah, it's fine. Sheesh. We gotta take this whole front bumper off in order to access this. So I'm gonna help him take this front bumper off. And we're gonna cut y'all back on in 1 second. So we got all these clips out so we can pull this down. You gotta take this bolts out, and that should really be it. So we can get all this down so we can take this front bumper off.
Pull them out. Right off these 2 clips. And just like that back in there.
Damn. So you just sit that to the side. All right, so do it.
On this side.
Yes, sir.
Stick right to in here. Just gonna hold your finger. Get something with an angle on it. And we're just gonna slowly pull it out. And then hold this shaft here. And then we're just gonna push this back.
Mm-hmm.
These tabs. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Just like
Yep. Yeah, he's a real man. I'm a pretty boy. I got gloves on.
Ace on the track.
that's loose. It's all loose. Loose.
Got all of this.
Loose. Alright,
Yeah, that boy looks. Now we got silhouette. Now we gotta pop all these top clips out.
Yeah.
This one. And then disassemble this whole front end real quick. Then we're gonna cut y'all back on. Oh no, this is chicken off. Oh, this is part of the grill?
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. Let me do that to this side.
There we go. Alright, so this here. This lift off of here. That's probably why it's already loose.
That's probably why. I felt my
should have
fucking
some
heart
tape,
break.
though, we could stick it back in.
But I had my heart broke, bro.
It's gotta be gentle. So we're gonna lift this one. We'll pull here.
All right, but let me try to get in this bit. Get active, twin. Breaking my car, but I'm not. Fog light disconnected.
Fog light on that side.
It's right here.
About 2 tabs on the side for out.
These.
Pull it out.
God damn. There we go. Jeez. The whole front end is taken off, dude. So after getting your front end disassembled, now it is time to unbolt all of this stuff.
This is gonna have to come off.
I told ya, papa.
I believe this comes off with the light. It should.
But yeah, now you gotta disassemble this stuff, figure this out. We figured them up, bro. It wasn't that bad. I'm gonna try to throw some clips in from what I recorded, but I just unbolt all this stuff. And then it's time to replace the old lights with these boys. Yeah. So now we got the whole front bumper taken off. I'm trying to see how to disconnect these lights.
There's a bolt here, here,
Bro, here.
Here. No, not there. Here.
Side. Damn.
Oh, I guess I didn't.
This is one piece.
Oh, we screw into that. Oh, okay. So I think we can just keep this one in here. Nope. All right. Use all screw. There's gonna be something in here.
Yeah. We gotta pop these up. That's what they were saying. Then these all go all the way to the back. God damn.
I might be able to get under it. Hello. Come off.
Got one. Got the two. I'm gonna go over here and take this other side off. So this side. There's one more somewhere in here. Where's the other one? I know it was bone. That off. So we got the first headlight out. First headlight is out. You gotta unscrew this to access the old light. And I'm gonna wait till my boy get back for that. But I gotta unpop this side out and then take this light out And when he come back, we gonna cut y'all back on to show the installation of that.
Take that out.
All right, bet. Let me see that.
You got it?
Yep. Just it has to be.
Lift up. Pull it out. So, there's gonna be a washer line for the SRT or whatever the fuck. I don't know which model it says.
Oh.
Sorry. And then
Fluid jump.
connector.
Fluid jumping twin. Shit pissing on one. Oh, it don't matter.
Put some more in there.
Fuck it. That's a filled ass tank, my boy. So we got this the older one out. Out the old. I want the new. This looks so fire. Sheesh. It's gonna be heat. Look at the old light compared to the new. Like this a LED, I'm guessing? The strip, that little yellow?
Yeah, it's the LED.
Okay. That makes sense. And this a whole bowl.
And then we're just gonna line this notch up.
Oh.
This notch here. And this one. Just gonna go in the same way it came out. Just gonna plug it in. Okay. And then line it up. Just give it a little push. These little tabs are on the edge. We'll grip onto it. And it'll be in there.
Okay, good. Sheesh. This one down. Got one more to go. We gonna take this motherfucker off. Then how would you do it?
There's this lock here. Twist it.
Okay.
It's hard.
How far I gotta go? We gotta pull the light out, so we're gonna figure that out. Pull this light out and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. And we got the new one.
These got fans on them too. Cool it off. There's a little fan in there. See it? A little piece in there?
Oh yeah.
It's a fan.
That's tough. Click.
And then...
It ain't click.
No, they don't click.
Oh.
This way. Is it this way or is it this way?
Stop here. There we go.
And then this lock. Just go all the way. It's like that.
And it's just like
Put
that.
that back on.
Alright. Now we're gonna get y'all boys a time lapse. How long it take us to put this back together? Now we really oh, we gotta put this fucking bumper back together. Put the headlights back in. See how bright these boys really is. And yeah, we're gonna do a time lapse. Cut y'all back on it. 1 second. Pop it off.
Ace on the track.
Did you plug it in?
No.
You gotta plug the headlight in.
I didn't plug the light in. Bingo. Bingo. Oh, there, buddy. Sheesh. You can't even see my LEDs no more. I mean, my.
No, it's up right there.
Yeah.
Look that way.
Look at the wall. Yeah. It's over with. You gonna see me coming. Shout out Auxito. Shout out my people, man. Good LED lights. Do it again. Sheesh. Good lights, man. Shout out my people. I'm gonna have a discount code for y'all. Just stay with me. When I drop this video, I should have one. If not, DM me before you buy them, and I give you a discount code. You can get like probably 25% off, I think. So, yeah, probably about like $50 for some lights. So, that ain't bad. And these great quality, bright as ever. We had cut them on back tonight, but we finna finish putting this whole bumper back on. Go get that boy. We gotta put the SRT bumper back on there. Then we'll be good.
Dreams come true. And I wonder, does shit ever pay off? Damn, real. Look at myself, all in the mirror like, damn, is it gonna pay off? Wish I could look up to heaven and dial up your name and give you a call. My main man can't even get out the streets, but really he just wanna ball. I ain't even wanted to get like that. My right hand man's was breaking the law.
Saying, that's what you do. As a young man in America, you have people join Mopar. He had a Dodge Ram, and just because he seen my shit made him go get a Durango. That is crazy, bruh. We might pull up on the homie, he gonna show us a new whip, because he just took delivery of a 2023. Not this, but 2023 Rango.
It's a brand new one.
Brand new. Well, only 8K miles. Fire. But yeah, man, this shit is crazy. We gotta finish putting this back together, man. I'm gonna cut y'all on in 1 second.
Ease.
With ease. Look.
Doesn't it look alright?
Everything look good. Back on there.
Boom.
Perfect. And just like that, we done. We done with this joint. Front end is back put together. All I gotta do is put the wheels on. Thought you were striking this, buddy? You thought you were striking this, buddy? Yeah, close the trunk on your ass, boy. Sheesh, them headlights, boy. Them new headlights. Sheesh. That color. What are you doing, buddy? That would look good, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. You look like a black man in a Jeep. That would look fine, man. New lights. Keep the lights on. New headlights. You really can't tell probably right now, but at nighttime, you probably be able to tell. New LEDs. Shout out to Auxito again, man. I appreciate y'all for sponsoring this video and sponsoring me. with these new headlights, man. Many more things to come, hopefully, to this. Caleb, you outdid yourself, buddy. You did a phenomenal job. Good job, thank you. This is his guy. This guy. It's a dirty, filthy little car. But you'll be surprised. This could be a lot of things, you know? Was on my keys, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Bro! These how bright the headlights is, man. It's bright. Like, I couldn't see this far in front of me on the road with the regular stock headlights. But these is just like, yeah, these the ones. Bright these headlights is. And camera's picking all up how bright these lights is. Super bright. Man, thanks Auxito again for being my first sponsor. Giving me some LED light bulbs to put in the Jeep, man. Best investment I done made. And the cosmetic mods as a vision fire investment. Like I can see way in front of me. Cut the high beams on when I pass this track, just so y'all get a real representation of what it look like. You see how far it's letting me see? I can see all the way to the top of the freaking hill we about to climb. Fire situation. But nah, man, that's gonna wrap this vlog up. Like I told y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching. So like, comment, subscribe. And use my code 15% off. 15 to 20% off on your next lights at Auxito. LED lights. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all watching. Back with another video. By the time y'all see this, we should be in seed, bringing y'all straight fire content. So I appreciate everybody watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
This shit ever pay off?
To 500 subs, please, and thank you.
Damn, real.
That's all I ask.
Look at myself, fall in the mirror like, damn, is it gonna pay off? Wish I could look up to heaven and dial up your name and give you a call. My main man can't even get out the streets, but really he just wanna ball. I ain't even wanted to get like that. My right hand man's was breaking the law. I'm calling the bitch who rubbing my chest and necking me up. We sit at the law. Yeah.